Hello guys, welcome to today's video. So today we'll be looking at the terrifying truth about the final payment, right? This money that you see, let me go to the revenue tab, right? This money you see at the end of every month, it's not the actual final payment you get into your bank account, right? So today we are going to make a video about the final payment that YouTubers get, right? So I recently came across this video of this popular YouTuber, I think streamer, also SQC, explaining how he get taxed 57%, right? But I don't really think the tax could be this crazy, right? I've heard that the more money you make, like if you made like 2,000 a month and you made like 100 USD, the tax difference is going to be different, right? Like the more you make, the more tax you pay. This guy makes like millions, he's on Twitch, Kick, everywhere. But maybe he's talking about a different tax because I tried to, make research about it, but there was not much information. Like I'm just going to show you guys how much tax they deduct from me for the past, for the rest. So this is my account, and any withdrawal you make, they actually tax you before you make, like this is going to be your payment. Where is it? Like if you make 453 and decide to withdraw it, right? They are going to take a percentage of it, right? So these are some of my payments, my withdrawal I made, and the tax they deducted, right? So this one I withdrew 641 USD, and the tax was 53.77 USD, which was like 8%, which is surprisingly low. Now we've seen a very high amount here. Let's go on. This income I withdraw 483 and the tax was 53.77, right? Which was 11%, right? This amount is actually higher than this one, but this one was an old income like a year ago, right? This was like in 2024 and this like in 2025. But I had different experiences. Like this one, 153, they deducted 59, which was 13% of it. And this one is the most recent one, right? It keeps getting higher, but I don't really think this is going to be like if you start making like 2,000, 3,000, they are going to be deducting maybe still in the range of like 10 to 15%, right? But I've heard people pay 20% in their income. But so this is going to be the end of the video, guys. So I just wanted to show you guys that the final money you see in the analytics is not actually your final payment, right? If you've had similar experience or different, rates in the percentage, you can let me know in the comment section, right? Thanks for watching. Subscribe and, I'll be posting more of this stuff.